Hello, my friends. I am popping on today because I have a big fat Shimmerz order. So I'm trying to organize my goodies. So I did pick up all 5 of the shimmerings, and let's see what it reads. Shimmerings is an iridescent water-based sprayable medium used to add shimmer to a variety of products. So I have all of these gorgeous colors, and I'm going to swatch them all and all that for you. Do not worry. And then the next thing I ordered, and I did not get them all, I ordered a bunch of the Spritz. And it's kind of odd, but I have been ordering them in product types. So I have a number of Spritz to still get, but I have all of the shimmerings. And I didn't really even order them based on which colors. I just went down the list and said order, and then stopped. So that's what I am going to be doing. I have one that slunk away. And let's see. The little sign here says mixing. Mix color and shimmer together by rolling the bottle between your hands. Do not shake. Shaking may cause the spritzer to clog, and it's true. You just do a nice little gentle roller-roo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of my handy dandy colors like I have been in my previous videos regarding my Shimmerz products, and I will write their names after I am done with a Sharpie. I'll come back and show you what I think of all of my goodies. So I'm going to get playing with this stuff, and I'll be back when I'm done. Oh, and by the way, I think it's so cute. Look at this cute little flare that they included with my order. Thank you for your order. We appreciate you. I love companies that do things like that. And it's an adorable little ice cream cone on a pale blue background. So incredibly usable for the summer. So I'll use it. Can't wait. Okay. I'm going to get doing this project and I'll be back in a jiffy. Oh, and all I'm doing with it, just so you know my supplies, I have my cards. I pre-cut them. They're just out of basil marshmallow cardstock because that's usually what I use. So I figure that's great. I will not be pre-treating them. I'm going to go for it. I have my Sharpie. I've got my Shimmerz products, and I do have a little bit of water and paper towel for cleanup. Okay, I'm going to get to it. Okay, guys, I went ahead and did all my sprays. So let's start with the shimmerings. Oh, my hands are so dry. I hate that dry hand thing. All right, so this one, it's a very cool dealio. Super shimmery, glittery bits. Not pigmented liquidy bits so much. It's the glitter stuff that is so, it's not even glitter. It's like this pearlescent stuff. I think there's magic. So this one is called Baby's Breath. So it's just if you want that really great little pearly something something added. Awesome. So that's this little fella. Then this one's Concrete. So you're getting that really light gray kind of a thing. And the thing that I find so kind of cool and interesting is with the layouts I have done so far with my Shimmerz products, people really like the ones that have like slightly atypical colors, like the different shades of like moody mauve and my gray tones and all that. So do not ever discount those cool little fellas. The next shimmerings I have, it is in Bronzed Bombshell, and it is giving me truly like, see how it looks super brown in the bottle, but when you spray it, you're getting a bit of a gray taupey kind of bronze vibe. So like I said, these shimmerings are just when you want that little bit of oomph added. Now this one's called Sweet Baby Girl, and it is like a lavender kind of a pinky shade in the bottle. The bottle shows one color. Now I'm hoping you can pick up that it's just this gorgeous shuttle shimmerings. That is the bee's knees. And then the last shimmerings I have is this one called Goldilocks. And this is giving me, oh yes, a gold shimmer. Nice, nice, nice. And this gold is like in one light, it's yellowy gold, and the other, it's almost like a Vegas gold. So it's kind of a chameleon. All right, so now let's go to my Spritz colors. And I did not get all the Spritzies. So this is Sapphire, and I've got a real nice subtle sheen And in the bottle, okay, so here's Sapphire. Look at how deep it looks in the bottle, and the color in real life has almost like a cornflower thing going on. It is quite luscious. And I let these dry overnight. My next spritz is called Plum Pudding, and it's definitely a pinky plum. And you know, I almost feel like there's a little bit of a silver sheen going on, which I am not gonna lie, I'm digging it. So let me off camera so you don't go from all the shaking. Look at how pretty this bad boy is. So that is Plum Pudding. Next, because I do like the colors that aren't just the pink and aquas, this is Treasured Him, and it is just this really nice chocolatey brown pearly goodness. These spritz have the best pearly tone to them. So let me go off. And I know you can see right here my reflection. I just figure it's not going to move as much on you. So just this gorgeous, gorgeous color called Treasured Him. Next is Hint of Mint, and it has definitely got the mint thing going on in spades. A nice little pearly finish on it. Guys, I love these swatches for this reason. Now look at this. Then you look at the bottle, you're like, oh, that's going to be deep, deep teal. But it isn't. It is just soft, precious goodness is what it is. So swatch when you can, guys. Now this is the one that really threw me for a loop. Now look at this gorgeous shade. It's called Cotton Candy. And it's like a pinky red, right? Look at the bottle. Like you would think you're going in with like a fruit punch color, but you're not. It is pretty. It is, I mean, now don't get me wrong, I love this color in the bottle, but when it dries, it is stunning. And look at how different. Look at how different. So, seriously, guys, got to do the little swatchy test. Now, You're the Zest. It's like the best lemon yellow ever. Great name for it. And, you know, we've got that nice little sheen like we've talked about. And in the bottle, it is like straight up lemon. So pretty to look at when you're creating. See, I like to look at my products too. I think they're so pretty. Now this color is called Rockefeller Blue. So it's kind of like navy done right. It's between blue and navy. And you can layer it. See right here where the color pooled. It's that nice depth. And you can also see when it's just spritzed and when you're kind of getting the overspray, you get this really nice light color. You know what the color reminds me of? It's like that best pair of jeans that you have, if that makes sense. So this is Rockefeller Blue. When you're doing your hunting and looking for your next goodies to buy. Oh, and guys, I know I haven't brought it up, but when you make your next order in the comments, put my name so you can score yourself a freebie. So this is Bamboo Leaf, and I love me a good green because I am always doing these floral layouts, and I love when I can get like true nature green tones. And this is like really close to like a celery color, you know, and of course like a bamboo leaf, but you're getting that really great like neutral green. It's very natural looking, and I like that because I'll be able to use it on all my little naturey things I have coming up. So Bamboo Leaf, gorgeous color in the bottle and out. And then lastly, I did get Tuscan Sun, and guys, this has some warmth to this yellow that it's amazing. So let's say we're looking at the Spritz You're the Best, and look at Tuscan Sun. So very cool, kind of icy, and then this is super warm, late summer vibe to it. And let me show you Tuscan Sun in the bottle. So here we go. You can see some of that pearly goodness on the bottom. Super pretty color. Absolutely love it. I couldn't have been happier. And I showed you this in the beginning, but I love these little dots with the thank yous on them. I think that is so cute, so clever. It has a little foamy bit, if you like to mention. Awesome. Oh, and I would recommend when you put these things on, especially if you're going right on top, you know, if you're not using the dimensional bit, to put it on with a dry adhesive. Just because that's what I prefer. Okay, so once again, go get your goodies. Go get new goodies from Shimmerz because I can't be happier with them. And use my name in the comments to get a freebie. Very important. Okay, that's it for today, friends. If you guys have questions, comments, whatever, leave them right down there. Bye now.